Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha and today we are going to engineer wings. Okay, so in your kit you're going to find some yarn, a straw, printer paper, and a cardboard roll. What's not in your kit but you will need, and most people have at home, is a stapler, tape, markers, and scissors. So go ahead and grab those. Okay, so the first step is taking your cardboard roll and putting it in the middle of your printer paper. The next step is to draw your wings. So you can draw whatever you'd like. You can make a bird, you can make a petrodactyl, it's up to you. So go ahead and draw your wings. Okay, so now I'm done drawing my wings. What I did is I actually did it on both sides, which you can too, or you can just do one side. It's up to you. So now you're going to cut out your wings. So go ahead and cut out that outline that you have of your wings, and then we're gonna snip it to create a feather-like texture, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, the next step is we're going to staple them in place, and we're going to staple it 2 times on each wing. We're going to staple it at the bottom of the wing, and then we're going to staple it at the top where it meets the cardboard roll. So go ahead and do that. So it'll be staple, I'll show you, staple, 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 and then staple. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw and you're going to bend it in half, and you're going to cut it. Then you're going to take one of the halves and you're going to bend it again, and you're going to cut it. Okay, and then cut those in half again. And you'll have 4 little pieces. So that's what we want. So go ahead and do that to your straw, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is getting your tape, and we are going to tape all 4 pieces of our straw. So one will go right here underneath one wing against the cardboard tube, and then one piece will go at the top of the wing, still on the bottom side, just like that. And we're going to do the same to our other side. So go ahead and tape the other 2 pieces, just like that. Once you've got your straw pieces in place, go ahead and take your yarn and you're going to thread it through all of the straws, all the way under to the other straws, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay friends, so after you've threaded your string or yarn through and you've cut off the extra ends and then taped it, don't forget to tape it to the bottom of your wings will flap. And after you're done doing that, don't forget to draw the face of your bird or petrodactyl or whatever you made. So go ahead and finish making your face and you can actually decorate the rest of the body. Have fun with your flappable bird wings.
Did you know birds obtain thrust by using their strong muscles and flapping their wings? Some birds may use gravity, for example, jumping from a tree, to give them forward thrust for flight. Others may use a running takeoff from the ground.